Here's a pair of the Soundcore P31i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Amazon Fire TV via Bluetooth. This will also work for the Amazon Fire TV sticks as well. So first thing is go ahead and take the earbuds out of the case. You can take them out and just lay them to the side or put them in your ear. And then once you do that, just hold them to the side, go directly to your TV. We want to go to the settings. You can click on the settings button on your remote. If not, just click on the home button on your remote and just go to the gear icon, the middle right-hand side. And then from here, we're going to go down, go to controllers and Bluetooth devices, select that. From here, we're going to go down to other Bluetooth devices. And now we're going to go all the way down. You can see I have other earbuds and headphones paired to this TV here, but we're going to go down to add Bluetooth devices. Select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. Now the Soundcore P31 did show up. If yours doesn't show up after a while, then you may be connected to another device that's around you, or what you can do is simply just factory reset these and just wait for it to pop up on here. Okay, anyway, it did find the Soundcore P31i. Let me select it. Okay, looks like we're connected. See right down there, and we're ready to go. And you can see right up here, it says that we're connected. Or actually, it's the Soundcore P31i. You can see that right there. It says that we're connected. So pretty simple. Now, if you had connecting issues, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.